Here is a quick demo of a little computer I'm putting together, sort of like a retro computer made out of a Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040. This is the main brains of the outfit. This here is a tiny RP2040. It acts as a debugger and a serial port. It doesn't actually do any processing. This is an ILI9341 display. Goes in here. So I'll put that in. I've got a USB keyboard and adapter. Put this underneath here. And the tiny machine acts as power as well. Put that in. And we can start typing away. So, hello, YouTube. It works.